Well, joining us now to discuss the implications for markets and monetary policy is Glen Smith, Chief Investment Officer at GDS Wealth Management. Glen, good to see you this morning. Look, obviously this is a huge market moment. What do you think will satisfy Wall Street, given they have such high expectations for rate cuts?
What I think Wall Street's looking for is an indication of what Fed Chairman Powell is going to do with interest rates. And at this point, he has all the ammunition he needs to lower rates in September, at least 25 basis points, if not 50, based on the fact that we're in a bit of a weakening labor market. Numbers were revised lower in the month of May, in the month of June, July, they surprised us on the lower end. And we still have inflation close to the 2% target rate in the mid-2. So I think he has everything he needs at this point to lower rates.
I mean, as you say, we've had that recent weakening jobs data. Obviously, this morning you've got weekly claims rising slightly. But if you look at the minutes that were released from the previous meeting, it shows that Fed officials were much more focused on the stickiness of inflation than the labor side of their mandate.
Yes, and that's why tomorrow is going to be interesting to see what they discuss about it. That being said, all indicators, if you look at the latest Reuters report on likelihood of a rate cut, it's about 80% shot. So we think all the indicators are there for some type of rate cut. If not, the inflation, while it will still come down, this could make the labor market even weaker. And I don't think Powell wants to lower rates too soon, but I also don't think he wants to be guilty for putting us in any type of recession. He won't be here by next May. Next May, he expires basically his commitment.
His term ends,
his term will expire in 2026 in May, and obviously he's not going to get renewed. We're already looking at who he's going to be replaced with, and I think he wants to leave it. I don't think he wants to have zero cuts until then, and then the next Fed chairman comes and does all the cuts. So I think we'll see some indicator of at least a little bit of a cut.
Glen, we're almost out of time, so briefly, the backdrop to all of this is questions over the Fed's independence, given the noise coming from the Trump administration. How worried are you about that?
Zero. The Fed, especially Powell, he's not at all affected by what Trump says or anybody else. He's doing his two mandates, which are to keep inflation low and the labor market low. And he seems to be affected not at all by what anybody thinks. And he's doing what he thinks is best for the United States.
Glen Smith, Chief Investment Officer at GDS Wealth Management. Thank you very much for joining us this morning.